Good day, world. I want to touch base on how to pressure test the snorkels on a Razor 1000 high lifter. I'm sure this will go for all of your high lifters. In fact, you may notice that this is in fact not even a high lifter bike, but it does have a set of high lifter snorkels on it. The video is going to be a little bit backwards because it's me. I'm doing it by myself. I don't have a tripod or anything. So that is the intake for the engine, and then you got your belt obviously over here. For the belt, you need to take both of these off. I usually take like a nice plastic bag and put it over there and then tighten the clamp up so the air can escape, and then I put the white piece on either here or here, which one, it doesn't matter. Okay, now the garage is a mess. I'm gonna step over here to my trusty compressor. You see that we're rocking about 20 psi or so, which isn't crazy pressure. It's enough to find a leak if there is one. And then you just come over here and see the hose going up. And you'll just want to get your hands in here and feel around for leaks. Listen for leaks. If there is a leak, you're definitely going to find it. .20 psi is plenty, even though the thing doesn't fit on there that well. I'll come back over here and show you what I got going on. So this is literally, technically I think it's like a PVC cap. I just happen to have this, I don't even know what this is. It's some kind of 3M sticky seal stuff that I just happen to have in one of my toolboxes. I cut it to fit in there, and it actually works pretty nice. Put a little hole on top of it. Now I could get, you know, real crazy with it, and maybe in the future I will, where I could actually thread one of these adapters right into it and then just plug my line into it. But for now I'm kind of ghetto and got this thing zip tied. But you'll see that it just fits right on there, and it sits on there good enough that there's enough air pressure to get the test done. So there you go.